Well, good morning. We're got some excitement going on this morning here with uh, our efforts to keep bees. We just picked up two more nukes. We'll explain to you in a second what those are. But right now, as you remember, a couple of weeks ago, we installed a new package of bees here, and my great assistant, my daughter Jennifer, is going to help see if we have queen eggs today. Eggs. The queen's laying. Let me get this out of here. There we go. Yes, they're excited. We should probably smoke them, but we threw a little smoke in there.
Oh, well, we definitely have a queen because look at all the cap brood.
Oh, is that from before?
No, Dad, we had fully scraped frames.
Wonderful.
There you go. You can see all the brood.
Awesome. So we know she's in there.
We know she's in there. I'm gonna let her keep going. And just let her keep going. So we're just gonna go ahead and carefully put that back down.
Beautiful. So they're doing their thing. They're eating the pollen patties.
Hey, little girls.
Alrighty.
Working. Have a beautiful day.
We'll give a little more feed later on today as we wrap up. And I just got stung, but that's okay. Hey, you gotta get stung a few times to be a beekeeper, you know. In fact, you've been stung in the rump a few times, haven't you, Jen? Right? Huh? That gets her excited. So there we go. So we're going to go and install the nuke next in a second, get some smoke going first. All right, well, we're going to go ahead and set the nuke. Why don't you explain what a nuke is, Jen, basically?
So a nuke is an established, the 5 frames of an established hive. And the queen is already laying. She already should have brood. So we're going to go ahead and get our existing hive set up. So we have our feeder, and we use an inner feeder. Then we're going to put 1 frame of honey left over from Rest in Peace bees from last year. I have another frame of honey that I'm going to go ahead and put on this edge.
Did you get a nice job cleaning this up? It was a
Dad.
disaster.
And then we'll put these in after we get our bees installed. We have 2 completely empty frames. This will give them something to do.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and open this up. See what
That's
we
good.
have.
And let's go ahead and get some sugar water on it so it gets nice and happy. What sugar water does is it keeps them busy instead of worrying about what we're doing. The sugar water calms them down and they start licking that off each other. And also make sure we put the frames in the same direction that they came out of the box here.
So we're going to start with an edge.
The other one. There we go. Oh yeah, huh?
Okay, so if you look, you already have your brood, which means we have a laying queen.
Oh, laying queen,
Yep,
okay.
a laying queen. So we're just going to be careful. We're just going to put these all in the exact same order. So I'm going to leave a little space because when I'm done, I'm going to, from that end, let's go ahead and put an empty frame in.
Okay, right away, yep.
Yeah, we'll start it.
There we go.
Okay, we have 1.
2. See, look how the sugar water just calmed them right down. Oh, look at all that new wax in that.
Beautiful.
Now, why would there not be any brood on that one?
Don't know. But I'm not worried about it because there's brood on this
Oh,
side.
there is. Yeah, look at that. She's doing her thing. And we're going to leave that on top. We're going to leave that.
We're going to leave everything.
Everything the way it is, yep. Are there any queen cells in the bottom?
No, it's just wax filled up.
Okay. Alrighty. Pretty simple for installing this. Yeah.
Oh, look, there's some beautiful brood.
Oh, there is. Oh, this thing we'll be putting on the next box probably within, what, 2 weeks?
With the nice weather we're getting.
Maybe a week.
I think in a week.
By the way, if you look out here, the plums are already in blossom. There was bees on them yesterday.
Look, turn around.
Yeah, peaches are in blossom. Yeah. I found out that the bees don't go right away to the blossoms on the fruit trees. Only certain times of the day they do when they know there's a nectar flow, I guess they call it. Very good. Oh, this is gotta realize, keep in mind, we put our regular 3-pound package when it was 29 degrees out. So it's wonderful that thing survived. Okay, I'm gonna get some sugar water.
I'm gonna go ahead then just hold on.
You put one more.
We're gonna, yep, make sure they're nice and evenly spaced.
Put that frame. I'll get the.
Put our empty frame in.
Yeah, let me get the sugar water. And this usually gets. This is where I usually get stung, because they smell the. Gotta get it squeeze right in there. Yeah, these wooden frames a little wider.
That's right. We dealt with this last year.
Yeah.
That's fine now. Thoughts, Dad?
Hmm.
Thoughts? Hold on. Oh, bees. Sorry, girls. Ah, there we go.
Yeah, now you got it down. Got it in now?
Okay, that's in.
Okay, I'm gonna get some drink.
We have bees left over here. Can I get some spray on them and a brush?
Yeah, here's the brush and my. Here's the brush. Here we go. And I'll go ahead and get some sugar water for them. Now on the sugar water here.
This. You guys show them. Look
Oh yeah, yeah. Watch this now, everybody.
So we're gonna just literally just gently brush them. Brush them into their little happy home. But they're sticking together because they've been sprayed, and so they're licking each other.
Yeah.
And I mean, you want to brush them, but you don't want to be rough with them.
No, no.
So the rest.
We'll leave the box in front.
This in front, and they'll figure it out. They'll smell their queen.
Queen. Yep. Exactly. Yep.
And give this 10, 15 minutes. That box will be empty.
Yep. Exactly. Let me get some sugar water in there, and we'll get this thing closed up so they can work into make themselves comfortable with their new home. You always get very good honey from this area. It's a combination of the gardens around here. There's a swampy area up behind us. There's plenty of water, and we need to go buy more sugar today. All right, that's good. We need to save some for the other one. I'm not going to fill it all the way up. And the sugar water is to give them some food to get them going while there isn't quite enough nectar out there.
Okay,
We always want
put our inner cover in with the little notch on the front.
Yep.
And then they'll use their oh shoot, what's it called then? I'm having a mind blank.
Oh,
Propolis?
Yeah, we need a pound patty. Don't forget that.
Oh yes.
Hold on a second here. So what exactly are pound patties? Pound patties are pollen from they took from the hives. They collected it, and then they also mix it with what? Some kind of a sugary substance?
Yeah, like a Vonda type substance.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll give them a head start. Well, they're pretty sticky.
Yeah, just maybe just do one side.
Yeah.
Usually I'm just eating that off anyways.
There we go.
Alrighty.
And we're just going to lay this on top of the frame.
Yep. And that's it.
Outer cover. And a brick. Don't forget a brick.
Here we go. To keep the wind blowing things away. We had winds like 60-mile-an-hour windstorm gust last night, and there we go. We'll go on to the next one, and we'll check this one in about 2 weeks to make sure everything's looking good inside.
Yeah.
Or shoot on that
no,
probably
we'll
a week.
Be in here in about 7 to 10 days.
7 days, and maybe possibly putting another deep on top so they don't get all crowded and think they have to go swarm.
Yeah, let's give them a little time to get settled, and they're going to get that deep on pretty quickly here.
Yeah, exactly. Alrighty. We'll be back with more. Alright, well, we're ready to put our nuke in here. And this is always exciting because you never know what is going to come out of the nuke when you open it up, and as far as what you're going to get for activity from the queen. But we'll find out how this one's doing.
But first we want to go ahead and set up our hive. So over here we have an feeder, and we use an inner feeder. Then I'm going to take a frame of honey from our, oh, rest in peace.
Deceased hives last year, yeah.
Oh, bees. But anyways, they left us some beautiful honey that these new bees will enjoy.
And this honey isn't for us to eat. It's because it has I don't want to say it has brood in there, but it has
they're deep. We
yeah.
let them have their deeps.
Yeah. Yep.
We only take from the mediums.
Now, is it okay to have some of that stuff on the outside?
Yeah,
I broke some of that away? Okay.
So we're going to put honey on the outers, and then I have an empty frame here I'm going to put in.
Okay.
And then we want to make sure that we keep these frames in the exact same order, and we're going to take one at a time out
All right.
and move them in.
Let me get some sugar water on there first. They're pretty calm already, aren't they?
These are. These are going to be yours. And
Okay.
the sugar water makes them calm down even more. They start licking each other.
Here's your tool. Yep.
Let's go ahead and
Yep.
see what we
Sugar
have.
water calms them down. Oh, hold on a second here.
We can have you
Let me get over on the side here.
get a view of it.
By the way, the fruit trees are in beautiful bloom. We just show real quick, which I saw yesterday. The bees were on the plum trees yesterday. The peach trees are in bloom over there. So they're doing the thing. And look at this here.
So
Wow,
here, if you want to stand over there, that
beautiful.
way they can stay in the
See
sun.
this? There we go. Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. Uh-oh. Hope we got them in the middle of the apple tree here. Here we go. Nice. Very
So
nice.
they have
They are really
beautiful
content.
brood,
Yep.
and we're just going to go ahead and
So the difference versus buying a packaged bee, and we did the packaged bee a couple weeks ago, it was we installed it was 29 degrees. Today it's in the 60s. It's beautiful today. The packaged bee, they basically have to start from ground zero. We did give them some honey, some frames to already work on that were had honey on, but look at this. Gorgeous,
look in the middle. You
wonderful.
have the beautiful brood.
Who knows where the
You
queen
have
is?
larva in there. Yeah, we're not going to spend too much time worrying about her
No,
today.
no.
We'll
Fine.
get proof that she's there when we go and check for more eggs being laid in about
Yep.
a week.
There's another one there. Yep. Beautiful. Oh, they're already on that frame of honey. Look at they're finding they go. Oh, there's some good stuff in there.
Gorgeous.
Yes, marvelous. There's a little different price difference buying a 3-pound package of bees at our supplier. Runs what? It was 145 this year, 150. For a nuke, which is already ready to roll, it was 195.
You want to go ahead and spray
Spray these
that
guys down, yep.
and gently brush them back into here.
Oh, and listen to this. Isn't that beautiful?
I'm going to go ahead and put a pollen patty on top for them,
Okay.
which is, what was it, Dad? What's pollen patty?
Pollen patty is a combination of actual bee pollen that they collected from the hive, and then also it's like a fondant sugar substance that they mix in with the pollen. And this pollen is important because it helps the bees build out their brood quicker, builds out wax quicker, so the queen has more place to lay her eggs.
So I'm going to go ahead and just gently scrape the rest of these bees
Look at this come rolling out of there.
to their hive. Go on in, little girls.
Yeah, beautiful. And they're not going to bother stinging it because you know what? They are concerned about securing the queen, make sure the queen's kept safe. They don't care. Whereas the other hive, the queen's already established. They're a little more nippy because they say, "Oh, you're getting into my territory. Get out of here." You know.
So I'm going to go ahead and put this empty frame in,
Yeah.
and we'll go ahead and fill her up with some
Yep.
water.
Some water. Okay. Some
Or
sugar
sugar
water.
water.
The sugar water has a combination of it's called Bee Healthy. It's a liquid that helps with some amino acids, vitamin B's in there to help them grow a better, just be healthier.
We'll go ahead and add the link in the description for the video showing you making this,
Sure.
as well as the recipe
Absolutely.
for what we do for our hives.
Yep.
Okay.
As if you can use it all up.
Just
Yep.
use it all up.
We're going to get some more sugar today, and this solution of sugar is 1 part water to 1 part sugar. And
We'll go ahead and include the recipe for the other video.
yeah,
Okay, where's our...
inner cover underneath there. There we go.
Go ahead and put the inner cover on.
Always want to make sure the little
Notch
cutout is notches down below. Yeah.
our outer cover.
Make sure it's pushed forward a little bit so that way it doesn't the bees can get out.
And a brick.
There we go. And what we got left in here, they will just go ahead and figure it out today, and I'll come back later in the day and knock on any bees by the entrance, and they'll go in when it gets closer to nighttime.
So we'll check on this hive in about 7 to 10 days because it's already established. we're going to want to maybe put another deep on top. That way they don't miss one.
And in the deep, what will be in the deeps? More combination of honey, empty
a little
frames.
bit of established comb that we have from our other
Yeah, we have quite a few.
hive,
Yeah,
and some empty to give them something to do.
great. And then,
Okay, girls.
alrighty, very good. We'll be back with more.